Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Shopify clothing brand full guide. Start by defining your niche and ideal customer, then list must-have products and price ranges. Research competitors and decide your unique selling point. Create a simple brand story and visual mood board to guide designs and marketing. Finally, outline launch milestones, initial budget, and a basic content calendar to keep progress steady and measurable. Begin by sketching core designs and selecting fabrics that match your brand tone and target price. Order samples from multiple suppliers to compare quality, fit, and production timelines before committing. Develop clean product photography plans and prepare consistent size charts to reduce returns. Draft product descriptions that highlight benefits and care instructions for customers, and list production lead times so you can set realistic shipping expectations. Install a responsive Shopify theme and customize colors, fonts, and navigation for a cohesive brand feel. Configure payments, shipping zones, and tax settings to match your market and legal needs. Add high-quality product images, informative descriptions, and clear return policies. Set up basic analytics and a marketing pixel to track visitors. Finally, test checkout flow and mobile experience to ensure a smooth purchase path for first-time customers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.